Hi, my name is Monica. I'm an occupational therapist. I'm here at Ballard in our training apartment with my patient Stacy. She has a traumatic brain injury and we're here to do an intervention to heat up a simple meal. So Stacy, remember what we worked on is just going through each direction and paraphrasing it into just one sentence. So can I have you read the first step?
Prep the carton
Okay. Along?
with perforations.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open the box. Good. Good, okay. And what's the next step?
Remove plastic cover from pizza.
Okay. Okay, Stacy, so what steps have we taken so far?
I removed it out of the box and I placed it on the silver bucket. It's ready.
Okay. Careful, it's hot. Essentially, for a person without TBI or brain injury, this might be something easy to do, but with a person with a brain injury, it may be difficult. So the little things that you take for granted, we as OT devise strategies so we can be able to help you build those skills to be independent.